Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is vlog week 12. So I'm here, we have a new filming background. I mentioned in last week's vlog I have moved everything around. So this is a much better space here for filming. So right now I'm going to start painting this wall and probably that one as well. The camera is kind of on low battery, so I might need to switch to phone cam. But basically the plan is I'm going to tape up the skirting boards and everything. I have this little like tape here. Do that first and then I'm going to start painting. So like I said, I look weird. I just got my hair done today as well, so it's in a low pony. Anyway. I'm on a bit of a low battery situation right now, so I might just put you on a time lapse on a phone and then you guys can watch. I'm very excited. It is well overdue. So this is the wall so far. This is after one coat, only one coat. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do a second coat. But it's looking, I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. I think a little bit patchy in some places, like here. And these corners, these edges, especially here, was so difficult to get, but I did it. And if you look here, the difference, so move this out of the way. So this was the beigey sort of colour that was there before, and then this is the white. So I mean, it's a big difference. It was a big job. It is about 6:10 just now, so I'm gonna chill now. I'm gonna watch some TV and then I will come back tomorrow and show you the finished result. Hello everybody, it's the next day. It's Saturday. So my lights came in this huge box. I haven't opened them yet, so I guess let's do that now and see what we're working with. I actually thought that they would come in a much bigger box than this, but I guess obviously once they're all compacted down and everything, it's a pretty decent size. Right, oh wow. Okay, so they must all be in this very handy carrying kit, so let's get that out of the way. Whew, it is warm in here. Maybe I'm going to take my jumper off. 1 minute. Oh, right, I've taken my jumper off and I've opened the window, so that should be a bit there. Right, okay, let's see. Okay, this feels like it might be a tripod stand. Not a tripod stand, but you know, like the light stand. Cool. Wow. Very fancy. Okay. And then I guess that's the cover that goes over it, so fab. I'm going to have to read all these instructions. Let's see, this must be probably the light bulb, so I'm guessing. Yep, light bulb's in there. This will be the stand. Ta-da! You can tell I'm not used to all this tech. It's took me a long time to figure it all out, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there, okay. There is literally no need for music to be that loud. Like seriously, if I can hear that clear as day, like it's next to me in here, how loud is that in that car? Absolutely ridiculous. Okay, I think I've done it. Just excuse this mess here. But, don't know, moment of truth, I haven't turned it on yet. Let's see if I've done it correctly or not. I mean, I think I have. Right, it was pretty straightforward actually. But let's see, you might be very overexposed in a second, so apologies for that. But let's see. Ah, it works. Whoop whoop. Woohoo! We have light. Now I can't tell if that's like the natural light or if it's actual the light. So wait a minute, let's put these blinds down here. And let's do the other one at this side. And then let's see. I mean, cool, that's decent. So I haven't put the softbox cover on yet, so let's try that and see how that goes. Ah, clever. Look, it's just Velcro. Genius. Genius, genius. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's see. Ta-da! Very pretty. Very nice. Okay, let's close this again. That's mad, like seriously, what a difference that makes. I know I look like a riot right now, but wow. Impressed. And that's going to be so good in the winter when it is just dark all the time. Let's give you all a wee garden update. It's very sunny. These are the roses, my dad's roses. Very pretty. So there's these dark red ones, and then also pink. And there's loads like these that haven't even bloomed yet, so very nice.
Yellow.
Nice yellow one here.
A whole bunch of them.
Loads and loads.
Look at that. Ready to come, don't they? They're ready to come. And this one's going to be the...
And then there's some kind of peachy ones here. Oh, this grass is soaking.
So that's what I couldn't...
We got one.
Oh, look at that sinking. Good.
Oh dear. Look at this, just for reference, right? This is how rainy it was the other day compared to how sunny it is now. Oh dear. And then sunflower update. Say hi to the vlog. Or don't say hi at the vlog.
Hi. Sunflower's bigger than me.
Bigger than me too.
So just for reference, you are roughly
5'2".
5'2", I'm 5'3", and this is how big the sunflower is. Wow. Wow, wow, weezers. And then radish update. These are definitely ready, but look at the size of these flowers.
Look at the lettuce. So lettuce.
Did you just pick that
You're
off?
disgusting.
I think you would maybe need to wash it first. But I mean, what did cavemen eat?
Tasty.
It's not going to kill you, right? Well, I hope not
Bit
anyway.
of protein, miserable. Some flies on it, a bit of protein, aye.
So our wee garden's looking pretty good. Well done to the main gardener.
Mother Nature's the gardener.
Hello vlog, happy Monday. So it is Monday evening, the time is about 5:45. I'm actually only home from work about an hour. First day back, it went very well. It was, you know, just trying to figure out everything, but we got there, we did it, we made it. So right now I am going out for dinner. As we know, the government are doing like this scheme, like the, I don't know what it's called, like the Eat Out to Help scheme or something, I think it's called, where loads of restaurants have like signed up to this and you can get a meal at loads and loads and loads of different places for, I think it's like up to 50% off. So, you know, why not help our local businesses out? So that's what I'm doing right now. Angela's going to pick me up and we are heading for some lovely dinner. I'm very excited. The restaurant that we're going to does the best gluten-free Cajun chicken pasta and garlic bread. So I am so excited for that. I can't wait. I really hope they have it. Fingers crossed. Hello vlog, it's Friday. Oh, we made it to the end of another week. This was busy. Oh my goodness. First week back to work. I'm knackered. I'm really tired, but oh, it was great, but I'm really exhausted now. It went really well. That weather the other night, that thunder and lightning, that was insane. That was absolutely mental. Literally woke up 2:15 in the morning with this huge bang, and then the flashing was like just constant. It wasn't like intermittent, it was just like every 2 seconds there was a flash, which you would have seen in the last clip anyway. But oh, that was really quite scary, and the rumbles were so loud and they were like felt like the house was actually shaking, which I know is crazy, but it did feel like that. Oh, so yeah, it's been a busy week, very busy week. I know you guys haven't seen much of it behind the scenes when I've been at work and everything, but it has been pretty much non-stop. I don't think I've stopped the whole week. So tonight I am going to have a well-deserved adult beverage with Natalie, and just chill, a nice chilled night in, get some nice food and a little drink. I think it's been well deserved. Okay, I know I look crazy and this is not my best angle, but
I'm going to round off the vlog here. So if you did like this one, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. And if you want to follow me on Instagram at Nicola Savage 22, you can do that as well. Okay, everybody stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!